can't remember if did we do a video of it?
Yeah, we did a video of it.
Okay, we did a video of it scraping, and he had some different amps in here. What amps did you have before?
I had DC Pit Bulls, 2 of them. 2
Pit Bulls, and come to find out, he just put 4 JP83 amplifiers in here, and from everybody that's heard it so far,
they said doing a little something.
Doing a little something, something extra.
Yeah, a little something extra. That's
all right, so we're in here. We're gonna get a demo of it. So just go ahead and tell us who you are and what you have in here.
Well, I'm Demetrius Franklin. I'm from North Little Rock, Arkansas, and I have 8 15 DC's level 5s, and I have 3 alternators, X, brand X, and I have 2 banks C-Max, 100 and 150, so that's 250 amp hours, and I got PRV. I'm sorry. 6x9, 12 of those, and 4 tweeters. So, you know, I'm just.
And
I
the
like
amps.
Oh, I'm sorry. His brand of amps, JP83, 4 of them now. 4.
JP83's. Let's see what this thing will do, man.
Yep.
I got my old shirt on. This is one of the first shirts I ever came out with. This is like 12 years old. Yep. That's why it's so worn out. I pulled it out of here. Power on tap now. You gotta be a little bit more careful with that bass.
Oh yeah, I'm wearing a high frequency I did on that. I should have put that last on that. Lower frequency with that much power to cool them out, because it don't seem like it's hurt.
No, yeah, I think it's fine. But the thing about, in my experience, the thing about playing higher frequencies is the sub's not moving that much. Like, it's like, and it heats. It seems to heat them up real fast. Especially when, I mean, when you're dealing with a ton of power, like we are in our vehicles, you have to really pay attention to these things, because it only takes, like you saw, like 30 seconds, 45 seconds, and playing that really high frequency and that much power, like really getting on it, you can heat that thing up super fast to where it'll start smoking. But if you catch it in time, you can turn it down and play like a low frequency like it was, and get the sub moving like at a lower volume and cool it off a little bit. So, but it sounds like it's fine. So DC makes a great product. So that's a testament right there.
Yes, it is.
I appreciate the demo, man. That thing definitely woke up, man.
Yes, we woke up a lot.
It's a beast. What's happening, guys? If y'all enjoyed all the hot content that you saw in that video, be sure to follow me on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram under the Lifer Price, and also Down4sound Shop on Facebook and Instagram. And don't forget Snapchat. I'm JP83's on there, so be sure to check me out there. We'll see you in the next one. Later.